Hello, and this is the way to make an engine function from an main engine report. You start by opening the PDF file for the engine report, scroll down to fuel consumption and exhaust gas data. In this case we can take the ISO ambient conditions, just copy all the numbers there. Create a new file, new text file. And just for example call it my engine data. And paste in the data. Now we need to remove the commas, because Matlab doesn't like it. So now I'll put some headings on each of these columns for the sake of Matlab to be able to know what the variable names are. Go to Matlab and create a main script, and we use data tdf read and then the text file name, and you can call the function called engine with the data as input and the load that we want to know all the performance at. So the spline functions there, they will interpolate the values from the data file. So if we're getting a load that is between one of those numbers, there will be an interpolation happening. And these are all the power, speed, SFOC, mass flow of exhaust gas and temperature of exhaust gas. You can test run it one time here. And you will see that we import the data and plot, in this case the exhaust gas. And just for comparison you can see that the red graph there is very similar to the plot.